Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Again, this is Engineer Jom Digia and welcome back to my channel. So sa video na to ay tayo magsusolve ng isang random past board exam question under the subject machine design. Specifically, topic of helical spring. So the question is, a helical steel spring has a maximum load of 800 pound force and a corresponding deflection of 2 inches. If it has 8 active coils and an index of 6, what minimum shear strength of the spring material is required? So again, sa problem na to is mag-solve tayo ng about helical steel spring. So ang required sa atin is the minimum shear strength. So dito guys, sa problem na to, kailangan natin gamitin itong mga formula na nandito. Okay, unahin natin yung K or yung K na maliit, equal siya guys sa F. Yung F na yun guys is yung force na na-apply dun sa ating spring divided by its deflection. Equal din siya sa ating modulus of rigidity ng ating material na spring, since steel siya, multiplied by D sub W or yung ating wire diameter ng ating spring, all over 8 multiplied by C cube. C, yung C na malaki na yan, is yung ating spring index. Okay? So, na-designate din naman dito yung given na spring index na 6. So, i-apply natin siya dyan. Yung N sub C is yung number of coils. Also, we will use the formula of the Walls factor designated by K sub W is equals to 4C minus 1 all over 4C minus 4 plus 0.615 all over C. And then lastly, para makuha yung hinihingi na minimum shear strength ng ating helical steel spring is gamitin natin yung formula ng Walls factor multiplied by the quantity of 8FC all over pi D sub W squared. So guys, hindi ko na drawing yung ating diagram kasi understood na yun sa ating mga MEs. Madali lang naman na masolve yan basta meron ka ng mga given diyan na values. Okay? Sige, simulan na natin. Unahin natin guys, kuhanin si D sub W sa pamamagitan ng formula na to. Bakit? Kasi si D sub W or si wire diameter, kinakailangan natin mamaya para makuha yung pinaka-final answer natin na shear strength. Dahil nandito siya. Okay? Unahin natin gamitin guys yung formula na to. Bakit? Kasi kinakailangan natin si wire diameter or si DW para i-substitute dito sa formula na to para makuha mo mamaya yung pinakasagot na shear strength. Okay? So, gamitin natin. So, F over delta is equals to G times D sub W all over 8C cubed N sub C. Again, yung N sub C is the number of coils. So, derive natin formula for D sub W or the wire diameter mula dito. So, F multiplied by 8C cubed N sub C divided by delta multiplied by G or the modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity ng ating steel in English unit is 11.6 times 10 raised to 6 PSI. So, kuha natin yung wire diameter natin. So, the force is 800 pounds. Okay? Multiplied by 8. So, C cube is 6 cube. Okay, multiplied by N sub C. Ilan ba yung binanggit na number of coils? 8 active coils. So, 8. Divided by its deflection. May deflection kang 2 inches. So, may 2 inches ka. And then, meron pa tayong G. Yung G ng steel natin is 11.6 times 10 raised to 6 pound force per square inch. So, ang tendency, makancel out si pound force, makancel out si yung inch na isa, may aangat na 1 inch, kaya ang unit ng ating wire diameter dito ay naka-inches. So, let's solve for this. Gamitin natin ating calculus. Reset muna natin bago tayo mag-solve. So, 800 multiplied by, so 8 times 6 cube multiplied by 8 divided by 2 tapos multiply mo pa sa 11.6 times 10 raised to 6 PSI. So, lalabas sa sagot natin dyan. So, 0. Gawin natin 4 decimal places. 0.4767 inch. So, hindi pa siya umabot ng 1 inch, no? Nakuha natin sa wire diameter. So, anong next natin na kukunin? So, kailangan makuha natin si Walls factor. Okay? Kailangan si Walls factor para dito sa pinaka-last na equation natin. So, meron na tayong d sub w. I-ano muna natin yan. Ilagay muna natin yan dyan. Iwan muna natin. So, burahin ko na lang to para may space tayo. So, gamitin natin si formula ng ating Walls factor. So, k sub w. So, 4c minus 1. So, 4. Tapos, yung c natin is 6 minus 1 over 4. 6 minus 4 plus 0.615 over c. So, i-calculate natin yan guys para makuha natin yung ating Walls factor. Lagyan ko na lang ng dito, ng harang dito. So, 4c minus 1 over 4c minus 4 plus 0.615c. Yung c pala dito dapat 6 na yan. Yan. So, 24 minus 1 all over 24 minus 4 plus 0.615 all over 6. So, ang magiging sagot natin dyan, ang ating Walls factor is, buuin na natin, 1.2525. So, unitless yan guys. And then lastly, para makuha yung ating hinihingi na minimum shear strength, is kailangan magamit natin itong mga nakuha natin kanina. Itong 0.4767 inches sa wire diameter and also ang ating Walls factor na 1.2525. So, let's substitute for our shear strength. Siyempre, k sub w. So, 1.2525. So, burahin na natin to para may space tayo. Okay? So, next natin dyan is yung i-multiply natin na values para dyan. So, 8fc. So, 8. Yung f natin is 800 pounds. Multiplied by ating c, which is 6. And then, yung sa denominator natin, okay, which is yung ating pi. So, dw is 0.4767 squared. So, inch squared na siya dito sa part na to. So, okay. So, magiging final answer pala natin ay naka-PSI. So, let's solve for this, guys. So, 1.2525 multiplied by the quantity, 8 times 800 times 6 divided by pi multiplied by 0.4767 squared. So, makuha natin ang sagot dyan is yung ating 67,370.35. So, 2 decimal place lang tayo guys. 0.35 unit is pound force per square inch or PSI. So, this is our final answer for this problem. Okay? So, unahin mong gagawin ulit is kunin mo yung tinatawag nating spring constant. So, yung spring constant na formula, kinakailangan natin yung para makuha yung tinatawag nating wire diameter. So, nakuha mo na si wire diameter sa pamamagitan ng spring constant formula, proceed ka na doon sa ating formula ng Walls factor. Pag nakuha mo yung Walls factor, reserve mo na yung dalawang value na yon, and then gamitin mo na siya para dito sa ating pinakalas na formula na gagamitin is yung sa ating shear strength formula. So, apply mo lang yung mga nakuha mong values kanina and then makuha mo na yung minimum shear strength na hinihingi para sa problem na yan. Okay, so nawa nakatulong itong ating pag-solve ng past board exam problem na to upang kayo ay matuto sa inyong pagre-review at may apply nyo siya sa inyong board exam. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Again, this is Engineer Jom Digia. God bless.